Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasishtha from Cadness Basvanakudi. Welcome to our Cadness YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about ways to remain peaceful in every situation. I think everybody should get rich and famous and do everything they ever dreamed of so. They can see that it's not the answer. It was said by Jim Carrey. So, challenges in career, responsibilities at home, and the quest to grow more makes us anxious and stressful. The sad part is that even after achieving a particular goal, we are not able to get absolute happiness. Fulfillment of one desire leads to another, and so on. Moreover, for fulfilling all those dreams, life takes us through twists and turns, ruining our peace completely. The amazing part is that only a clear and peaceful mind can win every battle in this world. For instance, someone who is impatient and anxious all the time will have a hard time losing weight. That's why being peaceful is not just important for enjoying life but for achieving the big dreams too. Acknowledge yourself. The first step towards gaining a state of peace begins by validating your actions and progress. Make a note of your good qualities, the way you dealt with bad situations, and how you managed to get through difficult times. Once you start acknowledging these traits, you will realize that you are able to remain at peace with yourself. For instance, if you are already undergoing a struggling phase in life, then write down about the way you are handling it. Create a progress report every evening and keep evaluating it on a daily basis. After a certain period of time, you will be able to know about your actual progress. One thing at a time. In the era of multiple tasking, it is practically impossible to take up only a single task at a time. In reality, doing a lot of things at a time only invites stress and anxiety. So, it is good to put your focus on a single goal at a time. Although, this doesn't mean that you stop doing other things in life, you will have to set priorities in order to pursue them peacefully. For this, it is important to decide which goal is on highest priority for that particular time and then set a realistic deadline for the same. Once you start, you can create a progress report as mentioned in the previous point to keep a check on your growth. Don't run after perfection. We all want things, people, and situations to be perfect. In fact, we all want them to be the way we want. But this desire to become perfect again becomes the reason to take away our peace. Once you set your target and the deadline, the chase to perfection and goal accomplishment begins. Remember, nothing in the world is worth your peace of mind. Not even perfection. So, put in 100% effort for achieving your goal and then wait for the results to come. Look at bigger picture. When we are too much into short-term goals, feelings, emotions, failures, deadlines, often we lose the bigger picture. Just think of how tough a situation in your life and how you felt about it. Does it all matter now? Do you even remember any of it? Another 6 months down the line and you are going to forget your feelings and emotions which you are experiencing right now. They will have no significance, so next time anything troubles you in the mind, just look at the bigger picture and know that it doesn't matter. Once you have taken over a goal or commitment, just move ahead with courage. Mind and time will keep on playing their own games. Hold on to your commitment and keep moving. These were some of the points which will help you to remain at peace with yourself even in the darkest times. So with this, I am completing my session here. Thank you.